What if I told you that holding completely still for just 5 minutes a day could build more real muscle than spending an hour lifting weights at the gym? I know that sounds impossible, but stay with me. Because, after studying how Shaolin monks train their bodies for decades and looking at what sports scientists call isometric loading, the results are genuinely shocking. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that isometric training, that's holding a position under tension, increases muscle strength up to 54% faster than conventional repetition-based exercise. Not a little faster, 54% faster. And the best part? You need zero equipment, zero gym membership, and zero experience. Just your body, the floor, and 5 minutes. Before we start, drop a comment right now telling me your age and how long you've been training. I read every single comment, and I reply personally. Exercise 3. The Iron Cross Wall. Hold, starting at number 5. And don't let the simplicity fool you. The Iron Cross Wall hold. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Now slide your feet about 30 centimeters forward. Press your entire back, your shoulders, and the back of your head firmly into the wall. Now raise both arms out to the side at shoulder height, palms facing forward. Hold. That's it. That's the exercise. But here is what's happening inside your body right now that makes this so powerful. Your rear deltoids, your rotator cuff muscles, your mid-trapezius. These are the muscles almost nobody trains correctly. They are the exact muscles that prevent rounded shoulders, neck pain, and the hunched posture that comes with age. Most people never isolate them properly because gym machines don't reach them. Hold this position for 20 seconds to start. By week 3, work up to 45 seconds. You will feel muscles in your upper back that you forgot existed. Perform 3 rounds of 20 to 45 seconds. Rest 15 seconds between rounds. Exercise 2. The Shaolin Horse. Stance number 4 is the foundation of Shaolin monk training, the horse stance. This single exercise is the reason monks build extraordinary lower body strength without ever touching a barbell. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width. Turn your toes slightly outward. Now bend your knees and lower your body until your thighs are as close to parallel to the floor as you can manage. Keep your back perfectly straight, your chest up, your hands on your hips or pressed together in front of you. Hold that position. Here is what makes this scientifically remarkable. A 2022 analysis in the European Journal of Sports Science confirmed that sustained isometric holds in this hip-to-knee angle produce greater quadriceps and glute activation than standard squats. Your muscles are working harder under continuous tension with no momentum helping them. Common mistake. People let their knees cave inward. Push your knees out in line with your toes the entire time. This protects your joints and doubles the effectiveness. Start with 15 seconds. Work up to 60 seconds over 4 weeks. Shaolin monks hold this for 30 minutes. You are already on the same path. Perform 3 rounds of 15 to 60 seconds. Rest 20 seconds between rounds. Exercise 1. Dead hang. Number 3 is something Mike Tyson swore by during his peak training years, the dead hang. Find a pull-up bar, a sturdy door frame edge, or even the top of a solid door. Grip it with both hands, shoulder width apart. Now simply hang. Let your body weight stretch your spine downward. Relax your shoulders. Breathe slowly. This is deceptively powerful for 3 reasons. First, it decompresses every vertebra in your spine, reversing the compression that sitting causes throughout the day. Second, it builds incredible grip strength, forearm strength, and shoulder stability simultaneously. Third, it develops the lat muscles along your back in a way almost nothing else can match. Research from spine rehabilitation clinics consistently shows that regular dead hangs reduce lower back pain and improve shoulder mobility in as little as 3 weeks. Start with 10 seconds if you are a beginner. Work toward 30, then 60 seconds. Once you reach 60 seconds comfortably, try shifting your weight slightly left and right. This activates your obliques and core. Perform 3 rounds of 10 to 60 seconds. Rest 30 seconds between rounds.